What's going on, guys? Jake T's latest Mustang Automotive News. This is my 2021 Mustang Mach 1 with a handling package. I just replaced the Cup 2 factory tires with the PS4 tires, and we're going to go do a 0 to 60 test to see if the PS4s grip better than the Cup 2s. So previously we had a 4.6 and the weather was about 20 degrees warmer, so it's a little bit cooler. The asphalt's not going to be as hot. We're going to see if these PS4s hook up better or worse than the Cup 2s. Now, a lot of guys with the GT500s have said that they hook up better with the PS4s. So let's go test that and see what we think. So far, the Cup 2s only lasted about 5,500 miles on the front because of the camber and toe, possibly the front alignment, but 5,000 miles on the Cup 2s. We're going to see, hopefully we can get like 10,000 miles out of these front PS4s or more. So let's check it out. And let's first do a cold start. Let's get some gas and go test these. All right, so we're gonna manually go around and adjust these tires down to 32. So they're at 34 and then 33. We're gonna manually adjust these. '21 Mustang Mach 1 with the handling package. I just installed the PS4 tires, and we're in Mexico. This car has 5,989 miles on it, and we've got the Recaros 10-speed auto. Let's get these tire pressures leveled out. Dennis. And we're gonna go up into drag strip mode. And what I'm gonna do is manually shift this dude. I'm gonna drive up and down the road real quick, get these tires warmed up. The cool thing about drag race mode is that it kind of slips the transmission as you go through the gears, partial throttle. And then the exhaust is in track mode. Oh, there's a stop sign right here. Almost missed the stop sign. All right, so what we're gonna do is flip a bitch. Kind of just slips the tires. It's hilarious. All right, I'm gonna let that 18-wheeler get past me. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna go up into drag race mode. Track apps, acceleration timer. I'm just gonna do a 0 to 60 right now. What the hell, why not? It skipped. That was not a very good one. I felt rushed. We're gonna do another one down at the bottom of this hill. So I'm gonna let the transmission do what it does. It's flattened out here, basically. All right, here we go. Still skipped second gear. Man, this thing's rolling though. But yeah, it's skipping second gear still. So I'm going to manually shift it. I don't know if it'll be any better. 4.6, that's exactly what we had with the Cup 2s. That was 2 quick little passes, so perhaps the tires are just a little bit warmer now. What's happening is it's spinning a little bit in first, and then it spins hard in second, and then it just goes right up into third. So it basically skips second gear. So I'm gonna do it manually this time. All right, that front left tire is still too high on pressure. I don't think it's affecting us that much. And what we're going to do, let's go to gauges. Transmission is up to temperature. Let's go to track apps. Acceleration timer 0 to 60. I'm gonna manually shift this thing, and I think we are in some better. All right, here we go. .6 again. A little disappointed. I figured since I manually shifted, I saw the red blinking, so I don't know if I hit the limiter in first. I'm really hoping for a 4.5 here. I didn't feel like I spun as much, but I was also, I think that was flat ground. I'm gonna do one more pass. These are all back-to-back passes, by the way. I'm gonna lower that front left tire, and then I'm gonna go one more acceleration timer. One more run, one more 0 to 60 run. So let's lower this front tire, see if we can get it equal. And then we'll do it again. All right, got the tires leveled out. Let's just put it in D, go up here, turn around, let the tires level out. It's in normal mode. And let's look at the tires, 34, 34, 33, 33. Could probably come down just a little bit more. I want to level these out really bad, but I'll do it when I get back. They're close, but not perfect. The turning radius on the Mach 1 is really bad if you guys don't know. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go up into drag strip mode. And then we're gonna go to track apps, acceleration timer. So we're just gonna be waiting for these people to get out of my way. All right, are you ready? Woo! 4.7. So I short shifted first, and then I kind of long shifted second, but honestly, second hit way harder, but I wanted to short shift first so I wouldn't hit the rev limiter. This thing is fun, it shifts hard, and those tires do hook up pretty darn good. I'm gonna go one more time, see if I can't get these, now that these tires are a little bit more warm. Let's see what the tire pressure says, 34. So that back one's down at 34 now. It's getting warmed up a little bit. Let's do one more time. I think I've got a 4.6 in me. I'm just stomping the gas, guys. I'm not using any specific technique. It's spinning a little bit, but not much. What I'll do this time is I'll dust the tires off just a little bit. I'm gonna dust them off on this bridge. Just a little dusty. All right, here we go. Hit the rev limiter again. So, 4.6 guys,
consecutively hits 4.6. That looks like that's about as good as we're gonna get with the Mach 1 with the PS4 tires. Look, 4.6 is good. I want a 4.5. I think in perfect conditions, these PS4s are hooking up good. It almost seems like this data recorder is inaccurate, but perhaps it is, and I'm just not happy with the results. So there we have it, guys. I'm gonna go back into normal mode, and let's look at the tire pressures now. I'm gonna bring these tire pressures back down, and then we are going to hit the road. .350 guy. He wanted to play a little bit. Alright guys, so there we have it. Look, I'm happy with the car. Would I have liked a 4.5? Yeah. Do these tires feel like they hook up better? Yeah. These tires do feel like they actually hook up better, honestly. Even though it's a little bit colder out here, the tires do feel like they hook up better. Does this timer reflect it? No. But they do actually hook up better. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me know in the comment section the fastest time you've got with your Mach 1. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stay updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news.